I'm back once again playing Monoposto, baby! Monoposto! Once again, if I win this round, like first place, in the race, you guys will like and subscribe. Also, if you're enjoying this video already, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, let's go. Wait, which way is it? Forgot. Okay. I will not turn on my energy because I spent so much time in the pits because of lap 1. Oh yes. By the way, I will not talk this too much with this round. It's just qualifying laps. You will get to see the action on driving full race. By the way, if you want to check out the other video that I made like 4 hours ago, check it out. It's actually quite good. Although you're gonna hear my voice. DRS already? Shit. But by the way, I'm playing on mobile, so that's why it's so much different. What? Different for the others that are playing it on PC. This lap will qualify. Let's go. This is my lap today, man. I need this lap. I have high brake and steering settings on, I think. So that's why I'm not using the brakes too much. I'm just steering and holding the throttle. That's why. If you guys see the UI, it's because I'm on mobile playing this. And also recording. The recording might be bad, so please forgive me. I don't have a PC yet, so yeah. Don't mind the background noises if you guys can hear. There's just basketball playing in the town. Yeah. Alright, DRS. Pass my lap. Yes, go, man. Shit. Okay. Let's end this lap by pitting. Because I will skip. I need to skip the qualifying lap now that I'm in the podium, man. Pole position actually. Pole position. Sorry for the F1 fans. I have to go to the finish line and pit. So I can do the skip qualifying lap. I need my DRS, man. Oh, come on. DRS. Let me actually disintegrate my wheels. I will need to disintegrate my builds. I want to see what happens if my builds are on black. Okay. Come on, disintegrate. Come on, okay, it's an orange food. It's an orange food. Push them. It's an orange banana. Disintegrate faster.
Tires are gone.
Good, good. It's not gone yet though. I have to destroy it. It needs to be black. False though, false. The metal needs to be black. Okay. False. And there goes my
Box is
wing.
loud. Box.
There goes my wing. Whoa, what? It's black. Most of it is black. But it's not popping. To the people who plays Monopost on PC. Oh look, it popped. It popped. It actually popped. Let's go. It popped, bro. It popped. It popped, bro. It popped. Wait. Let me see this. I just need this wing. Oh shit.
The car is damaged.
Yeah,
Sorry.
Yo, look at this. Shoot. Wrong way. Wrong camera view. There we go. Yo, this thing's actually quite cool. Tire is so heated, bro. No kidding.
The car is damaged. I'm sorry.
Oh, retired? What? Is it because I was driving too much? I was doing back and forth. Looks like I'm gonna win either way. So, you guys can now like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. What else? Bro, who's this? Either way, no one cares. Let's go. Look at this. Look at that massive lead. And because I'm on pole position, man. Look at this massive lead, bro. Or is it because the AI is like this? Forgot to off my power. I was too focused on the race. Even though I dropped them so oh, they're there. They're so far away. Absolute dominance, man. Like no one can catch up now. I am absolutely dominating them. No one in this world can catch up to me now. Oh, no. Turning too much now. Oh, shoot. Wait. Purple sector, baby. Let's go. We get the purple sector. Let's go, man. Just too fast. Okay, so we're wearing down. That's bad. Oh no! Oh shit. I'm losing control. Like so bad right now. Let's
You are
go!
the champion.
Let's continue then. Next episode might be tomorrow, so look out for that video. I might post it tomorrow, I think. So look out if you want to see.